Nowadays, it is a big problem for women to notice whether the washed clothes are drying or becoming wet because of rain while they are sleeping. Women doing multiple jobs along with their works like cooking, taking care of young babies, washing clothes, etc. After washing clothes, eventually they want to take some rest as little sleep. Sometimes, suddenly it was raining when they are under deep sleep. At that time, they need to know whether it was raining outside or not. For that, I found a solution with the help of my friends by utilizing at a lab in my school. Let us watch how it works.